question number 9, you're asked to do a vertical bar graph on the frequency distribution table showing the results of an ordinal result telephone poll. Now, the first thing you've got to do is to use a bit of graph paper. I've chosen to use a smaller set. Size doesn't matter in this instance as long as we can fit it onto our pages. And you'll notice here I've used each second little grid point as a unit of 5, so I go 5 up to 25. Now, I like labelling and ruling my axes as well, so I'll put that there. I should really put a little f for frequency, and along the x-axis I put definitely not, unlikely, possibly, probably, and certainly. I've deliberately chosen units along my y-axis there that fit in with the results of the frequency. Now I'm just going to go ahead and rule these in. Notice here 12 is an approximate, as is 6, sorry, and 4. Now, a nice little trick of making these nice and neat that I've developed over the years is just to hold my ruler and then slide it along in order to add some shading, trying to stop at even distributions, so even spaces I should say. Makes it look a little pretty, a bit neater I suppose. Try to make sure that all the columns get a bit of a shade. So you can see there, that's my summary data, nicely presented as a vertical bar chart. Now to work out how many people are polled, it's simply adding up the frequency table. So we've got 62 people. In general terms, well, what does it show? So there's a few things I can see. It doesn't seem like a lot of people are going to change, or perhaps a distribution here. So I'll say the following: many are either not prepared or unlikely to change their household internet if it costs more money. So obviously some happy customers. Now, if they were going to follow up those people who said they were either probably or certainly likely to consider an upgrade, how many people would they be targeting? Now, we'll consider the possibly, probably, certainlys in this category. So it'll give me a total of 22 out of 62, or 35.5%. Now here we're looking at categorical data. And there's an order from definitely, not, unlikely, etc. So we're looking at ordinal categorical data.